We're at the 17th Street Canal in New Orleans. We're on the opposite end of where the canal, where the levee broke, and that's the 17th Street over there, and you can see the cranes where they're working. And Ed has been giving us our $25 tour. This is his tour. This is how we're going to view. We're going to view where the levee broke. The other side is New Orleans where it broke. There's Judy. She's making the trip up to look at where the levee broke.
Wow.
He took over the camera. It's my turn to take a look. That's where there's the levee where it broke. This is where the 17th Street Canal goes into Lake Pontchartrain. They're installing new pumps. Just beyond there you can see Lake Pontchartrain. That's where the levee broke. This is new. I'm following where the water would have gone. And if you can see how much below level this is dropping. And that's where it's started to fill in right there. You can see how it drops. This is where the levee broke.
We'll find out where we can go.
That's where they patched it up. They're still working over there. But that's the exact spot on the 17th Canal. Here's the 500-pound sandbags that they used that they were dropping in the break in the levee. So if you can see the wire. There's the wires, you know, they used helicopters. You can see the straps, all the straps. Signs on a pole just feet away from where the levee broke. There's the levee. There's some mobile homes that were just in the way of the path of the destruction. One of the first houses, I'm only feet away from where the levee broke, one of the first houses that get it. This is ground zero. It's where the levee broke. On ground zero. I'm about one block where it's like a ghost town. There's nobody living here. These are the signs. 925. No dead, I guess. This is where they inspected. As you can see, it's a ghost town. There's nobody living here. I'm standing one block from where the levee broke. Oh, this is how close I am to the levee. There's the levee. You can see all the destruction over there. We're only 100 yards from where it broke, and then we came across this beautiful home here. It appeared that someone rebuilt and put together, and here's this lovely sign we saw. We give thanks to the U.S. Coast Guard, New Orleans Police Department, New Orleans Fire Department, LA National Guard, Red Cross, Salvation Army, out-of-state first responders, volunteers, state and city officials, friends, family, and neighbors. Happy Thanksgiving. standing on the west side of the levee. This is Lake Pontchartrain. This is the west side of the levee. It's holding back the water. As you can see, it's not the best day in the world. I feel like I'm on Cape Cod. That's Lake Pontchartrain. This is the levee. West side. Some more damage. Tree, obviously. These are the projects. We're just half mile from French Quarter downtown near the Superdome. These are the projects. These are the people that didn't get out. These are the ones that relocated in Houston and Indianapolis, and these are the projects that and they were all up on these balconies. These are the ones that walk to the Superdome. Once again, the projects. This is your inner city projects, New Orleans. These are all the residents of these homes were the ones who were in the Superdome. It's like somebody dropped an atomic bomb. There's nobody here. Not a single person living in these projects. There had to be hundreds of thousands of them. When we have a nuclear war, if we ever have a nuclear war, this is what it'll be like. A single person. We're in the lower 9th ward. Once again, not a single soul. There's nobody living here. It's okay. Totally deserted. Car here and there it is. Got a truck. Remains of a boat. Here's one house we'll be able to walk into. I mean, it's not no furniture. This is the inside of one of the houses. Lower 9th ward. Kitchen. Bathroom. Pair of shoes.